Okay, hello. And it's sliding. It's gonna fall. Stop falling. Can you just... The gust. Okay. I'm using a ceramic snowman right now to prop you up so you stop sliding. And that'll give me time to find buttons. I was gonna say buttons and then I was like, I need to find a button. I'll just leave it like this right now. One short one. It was already pretty cool, but I made it so it's like better. Okay, I'm literally sweating from excitement from this and another thing. Like, it's too much. I feel like a dog when you first come home and you've been gone for 5 minutes because you just went to check the mail. That's where my energy level is at right now, and I'm a little sweaty. I need to make sure you're recording because I'm paranoid. Yep, we're recording. Awesome. Okay. Okay. Set you over. Oh, you slippery. Oh, this smell. There's a lot of nostalgia that comes with the smell. By the way, as I'm filming this, I still haven't finished editing last week's video, which is technically probably going to be going up today on my birthday, which is Monday, even though my new goal is to get videos up on Fridays. It didn't happen. But this took more time than, not me, the outfit. It took more time because I was busy with other things than, yes. But I'm hoping that I will get this video up on Friday. It should be easier to edit for the most part.
What do you do? How do you like this?
I mean, that looks pretty amazing.
I want to eat it, so. Excuse me, sir. Your tippy tappies are messing with my idea.
Don't mind me. I just want to document the fact that I made. What are you gonna do without? Wow. I'll do one with Flash. She's beautiful. Okay. Hopefully sooner. Please, Pauline. Do it by Friday. I believe in you. This is a message to editing, Pauline. You can do this. So how was your day? What'd you do today, huh? Comment down there below. And I'm like, why is this so awkward and weird? I'm like, oh, I'm using the wrong hand. And I'm kind of back to that. Or am I using the right hand? Maybe I was supposed to be left-handed. And society convinced me otherwise. I'm taking you over here because I can't remember when I need you again. Okay.
Bless you.
Thank you. Should have seen that one coming. And then we're gonna set the messy, scary red sauce over to the side. Now we're gonna add, I almost heard it was like flour because I was reading the wrong ingredient list. Okay, wonderful. How much time has it been? It doesn't say at the top of what you're recording?
Well, it says 5 minutes because we had to pause.
No, that's what I mean. I needed
Okay.
to know how much time we had been doing the thing since I let it rest.
It's 4:23.
Okay. Wow. You can't just read how much time it's been.
Apparently not.
There's a literal timer at the top of the screen. Okay. On my hands. Like in my hand holes that I'm making. Now on top of that. And around it on the, yeah. More over here. Okay, thank you. Just leave it like that in case.
You look like you have some very strange gloves on.
Watch, these will be on the runway next fall. And I'm like, oh my gosh, I like made a pizza. Oh. Like, I'm getting a little cocky and proud about it now. So the right aorta is mom's part of the pizza.
Okay.
And plus, this would be like a good social distance thing if you want to just pump out a bunch of these and leave them on your friends' doorsteps. Like you could make a bunch of mini of these. You could use these and make a, like, I bet this could easily make 3 mini heart personal size pieces that you could leave on your friends and family's doorstep and run away, you know, as long as you're also COVID free, because if you're not COVID free and you're making the pizzas and then feeding it to them, a COVID pie is not nice. That's rude. Nobody wants that. But this could be a good socially distanced gift. I didn't make a video. Well, I made a video. It isn't finished. I didn't post last week. That's where we're getting at. Is it good? You like it? Okay. Okay, bye. Okay, bye. Come on. Bye. Goodbye. Bye. There's no, go away. There's nothing, go away. Bye. Can you like not be right? This is the spot. This is the area where we have to be. So like, if you haven't noticed, I really like skating. It's my most favoriteest thing on the whole planet. And also working on the ice. As you can see, I brushed off all of the snow and debris from trimming, and now we're putting down some hot water to kind of melt and smooth the surface, and then we're just gonna leave it. But day 1, skating was a success. If you want more, I'd say videos like this, but let's face it, my channel is in a very consistent place. It's all over, just like me. I'm never good at that. Oh, you should comment, blah, blah, blah. I don't know. Did you build an ice rink in your house? Is that what I want you to, like, people would be like, yeah, I built an ice rink in my... So for the last set of tentacles, that's gonna be hard to keep saying. I've already run into, what's that? Oh, it's a pecan. I love pecans. Okay. I did a little bit of makeup today. I also did Bratz doll inspired hair. So you know how like dolls, they'd always take the front piece of the hair and put them in a little ponytail behind, but they leave the rest of the hair down? It's very 60s too. 60s vibes, 1960s vibes. This is always so like, because it kind of like comes out like glug glug, and I'm always worried that I'm gonna have too much there. Do you see that? Too much went. 2 teaspoons of lemon juice. Like, tell me if that's fine. I feel, bless you. Oh, that was Junior. Are you good, Junior?